Hello, my name is Brittany and I'm from Zimis. Today I would like to tell you how to activate your Jet plugins. Let's check it. Go to Plugins and see. Jet plugins require an update, but we cannot update them. The license is not activated. To activate the license for the Jet plugins, go to the CrocoBlock or tool license on your dashboard. We select to activate one of the plugins and enter our license key. I hasten to remind you that the license key is your order ID. You can find it in your invoice or in the account itself. We choose to activate it. You only need to activate one and the rest will be automatically activated. As we can see, we are now successfully updating the plugins. Hope it was helpful for you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. More information you can find in the description below. See ya! Bye!